'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo!
To network with individuals in the wholesale industry. Seek referrals and recommendations for reputable brand distributors. Utilize platforms like LinkedIn to connect with professionals in your target industry and inquire about distributor contacts. Trade publications and magazines. Industry-specific trade publications and magazines often feature articles, advertisements, and listings of distributors and wholesalers. Subscribe to relevant publications and explore their resources to discover potential brand distributors. Pay attention to industry trends and news related to distribution partnerships. Online research. Conduct thorough online research using search engines, social media platforms, and online forums. Search for the brand names along with keywords like distributor or wholesaler to find potential distributors associated with those brands. Explore brand websites, online marketplaces, and industry forums to gather information and contact details. Join trade associations. Join trade associations or industry organizations related to your niche. These associations often have directories or member databases that can help you connect with distributors and wholesalers. Participate in association events, conferences, and networking opportunities to build relationships with potential partners. Distributor directories. Explore distributor directories like SaleWho, Worldwide Brands, or Wholesale Central. These directories focus on connecting retailers with wholesalers and distributors. Search for distributors associated with the brands you're interested in to find potential partners. When contacting distributors, be professional and clearly state your intention to become a reseller for their brand. Provide information about your business, target market, and the value you can bring as a reseller. Inquire about their wholesale terms, minimum order requirements, pricing, and distribution policies. Request samples or catalogs if available to evaluate product quality. It's important to conduct due diligence on potential distributors, verifying their reputation, reliability, and authenticity. Research their track record, read reviews or testimonials, and consider their customer service. Establishing a strong network of reliable brand distributors is key to the success of your wholesale FBA business.
For what you gon' be, and do you believe you can do anything? But what you gon' do for it? How you gon' move for it? What you gon' be?